Biakamal Biakamal ka Noor online TV channel bana rashame bana jeling raj bukon linga raj mishagor bo stella bo slwakos ray wich ka South Sudan ka kwi mal ka me shalat ka ron tin dangra wida walbada kana malalat ka me ka tumane peace initiative ray wich ka Kenya ka kwi South Sudanese kon tin chirodian linkitin shita kamat te raj mikene kulo gor gwasa me lat kana no nene akani shineru dari alakan wobnene itin konti shite kamal ron kin dangro wir wal badak kan itin kontin shite ka tuman peace initiative gone yo bne kamat gwaskel ke bateka duob mimo ba ta dana tikake ba ngach ko de kana jimarka katin konlat ko ne wech ka Sudan ke de ka teka mat gwaskel agenda na ban lingwase me ka duob dan de kon lingaja ko gor kono ban mo dan le rodo ko na ngach kwar lwa kos rai wich ka Sudan let kan let ngwana long tandien teken ka politik tandien tiken ka politik no ene me mgo kon laran tam ta danan chikana lat no kana shiga rode reala ka ke shiga duwalo no bikanne ten kon te shita re rwach bun ka menshal ka RACRSS ala revitalized agreement for resolution of conflicts no no kan tumani mandana lat kare wichan binami ka Kenya chikalar gone no ne diti bne kamat gwaskel ka bne ta dan tikatin bne gorno bne ngach ne ti ke ne kon ti la bos lwakos ke pastory tin kon tin tire wika South Sudan kane kona let ko de ne diala kon tin chite re malka men nyam shumen mal jogme ne gorno bne ka loshmarka bana jelingi jo ko gwasan dan ka tu english ke nyam chana ko rai kaman lat ka man la rodo gwasame che kwalo akos nas kwan tibin ne tin chitere malka karon kin dang ro badak te kan tin kan ne tin kon tin chitere malka mishal ke tuman peace initiative me ko kan bon kan mal dang ro te kan ne ti chitin te karodien matin de kono chu larno te ko bonto ngwan long te kanutin kan bona taw bi ken rai ka kana gor ne wo bine men gor kene bine ngacha gwa ko chabu pele keno no ko do bdan ji kana lat ba bona to ba ga yik chol no me beje kwen je ko do bdan ji kana lat ke je Sure, leaders have created a mediation initiative to reach out to various political stakeholders who are neither signatories to the 2018 peace deal or delegates to the Tumani initiative. In a statement, the show leader said the initiative involved in sideline consultation will seek to know the position and view of stakeholders and the intention is not to convince stakeholders to join Tumani or not akan bi karwa kene ti no de karwa ka de kan kalang no lang dien ka ka shiyo kan ne bi ka wore mal kam lat ka gata mane peace initiative dan lat ka shi janda an ticket no de kan mal de kan nok the religious leaders say they were keen to see a conflict resolution process that is all inclusive and acceptable to all stakeholders without any reservation. He added that the objective is not to convince the stakeholder to join Tumani in Tumani. The initiative, according to Dr. Paul Yugusuk, who is the Archbishop of Central Equatoria Internal Province of the Episcopal Church of South Sudan, the group, is the only guarantee for sustainable and durable peace in South Sudan. We are in the process of consulting key stakeholders to the South Sudan peace process, including our own senior church leaders, civil society representative delegation at the Timana peace process senior government official, senior official of the opposition parties, as well as the non-signatories to the revitalized peace agreement, who are part of Tumana Peace Initiative, and those who are not. Bishop Yugusuk added that the church leaders of mediation initiative will develop a detailed report on the consultation, which will be shared with the South Sudan Council of Churches. Lo ladien wo bigene diala kon tin chitte kam malen yam ron kin dang ro bade ko te gane to chitte tene ne mane to man peace initiative me gane de to na right na kane de kon tin tere mal ka gane kular ne tam kon bo ko la bo lo ko chinero yala ka chinero kun team kane to bu gen bu ko right kan bonten content kan mat re mal ka to man peace initiative cái chi tin qua để đàn lạt kamal tin koron kin dang rewel badak me lạt ka Khartoum ke Sudan jarwa jadan en shikal lar ne me en ban yo jom radian biat kamal bye bye